Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove Authenticator from Roblox. Let's get started. Open the Roblox application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on More and here tap on Settings. Inside Settings, select Security. And just like that, inside here scroll below, then you'll be able to find Authenticator app under two-step verification. You'll see option to turn it off or remove it. You need to go ahead and simply turn it off. And then simply select confirm. And now you want to go ahead and simply head back to your home screen and then open up your Authenticator application. Just like so, copy the one-time code. Once copied, head back to Roblox and then simply paste it. Now once done, tap on verify. And just like that, as you can see, the Authenticator app is now turned off. That's it. That's simply how you can remove the Authenticator app from Roblox. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.